week ba?
Pizza daw.
Balik mo sa December 2.
Exam.
So, sakto. So, wala kay plano inday nga mo adto vacation sa probinsya ninyo or kuan. Since wala pa'y class, holy court ka. So, ari ra ka sa inyo ha, nya ligo dagat no. Yung kiram, ligo dagat. So, since walay klase, tabang-tabang lang sa kasing mama. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver. You have 3 packs of chooks to go. Check in day, tulo na. Okay. And you also have 3 pan of pizza. Okay. And that is all from Kids Interning.
Kids, interning, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.